Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you. I had started a video, then my sister called right in the middle of the video, but I needed to talk to her. But listen guys, this is a gift basket. I'm going back to my hometown, right? It's like almost 2 hours away. So I decided to clear out some of the inventory I had and some of the baskets that I had bought previously, so I could have some room where I store, my jewelry and I store my product, right? So I'm like, well, give your sisters a basket, give them. So we going down there. I have not seen them in almost a year. I've spoken with them, but I really have not talked with them in seen them face to face in almost a year. So I'm like, this would be awesome to give the basket. So I'm going to show you some of the items in here, and some of these are from Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and Hobby Lobby, and Big Lots. So I got a mixture here. Like this is from Big Lots. This is body lotion and body wash. I'm not going to go through the entire basket, but I want to kind of share what I put in here. They love to cook, so I put that in there for them. And these are some organic seeds. Like if I buy a watermelon or buy cantaloupe, I write date, especially if it's a good sweet melon or whatever, I save the seeds. So I always save my seeds because it's rare when you find seeds in watermelon, and watermelon is actually a good watermelon. I put in some of my soap. This is a handmade soap. It's called a gentle coconut oil bar. Help reduces anxiety and stress, ease insomnia, and great antioxidant properties. This is lemon balm and lemongrass. That's what I used to make my soaps, and I haven't gotten away from them. I used to sell my soaps a lot, but I'm gonna start making more soaps. And these are some candles. They came from Hobby Lobby, I believe. Like I say, I'm not going through, and I gave her a little sewing kit because she's a sewer. She likes to sew. I might have put that in there just to hold it together. And this is a bath salt, citrine, got an ink pen, and these are some alcohol wipes, and a little white bath cloth. I don't want to pull it out and get everything out of order, and I just placed a little pretty flower in there. And these, a lot of the older people know about these handkerchiefs. I remember doing back in the day during church time. A lot of the elderly ladies had their little handkerchief in their hands while in the church. And I got a plate in here. Just a little cute little plate. I don't want to pull it out. And it matches this cheese set. So we're going to put that back. But the beauty of it all is I'm like, okay, I got a lot of my jewelry pieces, and I'm like, okay, go ahead and share. Share. I got enough where I can share. So what I did was, the idea came to me when I started using, these little heart, the rose quartz. I'm like, okay, and one more thing, and then I got to get to the next basket. These are some of my jewelry pieces that I put in there. And this is a cleaning cloth for the metals, for the little earrings that I put in there for them. And I gave them one of those little butterfly necklaces that I had bought from Temu. And I used this Carmelite on them to make sure, to keep them sparkly and clean and clear. And we're going to put that in there. Now this is one basket. So I'm going to set it here. And I'm going to do this one. I'll be back. I got this one, and I have a pearl compact in here on this one. It's a neat little pearl compact. And I got hair ties, and I got another one of my soaps in here. And this from Hobby Lobby, a beautiful candle. And I got a mug in this one, blue mug. So I did this one like on the blue agenda. So I went on Amazon and bought these little handkerchiefs. When I was looking for them, I'm like, okay, Amazon got everything. And I also gave her a little jewelry packet, and she got the green. This one is for my older sister. And I gave her 2 soaps. This is my La Antique Luxury Bar, because that's what it looks like. A luxury bar. And this one has, this is creamy, moisture, calm and soothing. And it helps with your skin elasticity. And I got olive oil, coconut oil, palm oil, jojoba oil, coconut butter, and fragrance and vanilla oil. I got a lot of nice exotic oils in this bar. We're going to put it in the back. I'm a jack of all trades. And I gave her this soap saver to save the soaps. And a freshener, and that's it. Seems like I should have added her more, but that is it. This is a small basket. And I got one more. They like little triggers like this. Little lights. You know, when the power go out, you can use that. And this one I'm giving to another person. She's not a family member. But this lady is so nice to me. Sometimes I go in this area, I go to the certain store and I go shopping, and she's always giving me advice, and she's always complimenting me and all that. So I gave her 2 of my soaps. Something smells nice in here. And I just gave her that, this little mason jar with a scrubby holder. This is a scrubby holder. And she's getting this foot massage. She stands on her feet. I'm gonna put this little rock in there, so I just put it back because this is a pink basket. And she got the little Clorox. And she got a white mug in there. So this is like a beauty one right here. But anyways, I'm getting out of here because I gotta get dressed. Well, I'm dressed, but I gotta get ready for the travel. And I gotta wrap these up. And I think I gave her a face rock. You know these little rocks right here? Isn't that pretty? This is a hope. As a matter of fact, I got her some bracelets over there also. And you ain't gonna believe the bracelet got hope on it, and I didn't even realize. So this synchronicity, so this basket really does go to that lady. And she got this. But anyway, I am out of here because I got stuff I got to do, guys. I hope you pull that down. Enjoy the basket. And this is a beautiful basket. I got this basket out of Hobby Lobby too. You know, Hobby Lobby got the best basket. But let me show you the bracelet right quick. These are pearls, and you got some authentic pearls in here. And this is like cat's eye and faceted amethyst. But this is what I'm putting in her basket. But anyway, thanks. I'm out of here, and I'll catch you in the next video.